Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be learning about 4.1, which is called inverse variation. We'll also be talking about the reciprocal function. So in example 1 we're given two tables and we have to identify if both of these tables are what they call an inverse variation. Well, how can you tell? According to the definition, a table is an inverse variation when the product of x and y is constant. As in, if I were to multiply all of my x and y values together and that answer remains constant throughout this table, then this table really is an inverse variation. So let's check it out. Multiply the x's and y's together. So you have 1 times 12, which is 12. You have 2 times 6, which is also 12. 3 times 4, also 12. 4 times 3, also 12. 6 times 2, 12 as well. And for the last one, you have 12 times 1, which is also 12. Now, because the product of x and y remain constant throughout this entire table, we can say, yes, this table really is an inverse variation. Okay? Let's try the second one out. Same thing. We're going to multiply all of our x and y values to see if the product remains the same throughout the entire table or to remain constant. Here we go. You have 1 times 20, which is 20. 2 times 17, which is 34. 3 times 14, which is, let's see, 30 and 12, that's 42. 4 times 11, 44. 5 times 8, 40, and then you have 6 times 5, which is 30. Now, if you check out all of these values, the product of x and y, did they remain the same throughout this entire table? If your answer is no, then this table is not what they call an inverse variation. And as you guys can see, it's not the same, so we're going to go ahead and write no, that it is not a inverse variation. All right? And that's how simple it is for telling tables if they're inverses or not.